If your Joy-Cons won't sync wirelessly to your Switch or they keep disconnecting randomly, it's usually caused by a Bluetooth glitch, outdated software, or interference from other devices. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Joy-Con sync issues step by step, so you can get back to gaming without any dropouts or lag. So let's get started. Solution 1. Reset the controller sync. Go to the home menu of your Switch. Find and open System Settings. Scroll down and select Controllers and Sensors. On the right, scroll to the bottom and choose Disconnect Controllers. Follow the on-screen instructions to unpair all Joy-Cons. Now detach your Joy-Cons and resync them by sliding them into the Switch rails until they click. Once reconnected, remove them again and check if they now pair properly in wireless mode. Solution 2. Restart and power cycle your Joy-Con. Hold down the power button on top of your Switch for about 15 seconds to force it off. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again for 3 seconds to turn it back on. Now detach both of your Joy-Cons by pressing the release button on the back and sliding it upward. On the inner edge of the Joy-Con, find the small round sync button in the middle. Press it once to turn off the Joy-Con, then hold it down for 5 seconds to power cycle it. Do this for both left and right Joy-Cons. Now reattach them to the console and test if syncing works. Solution 3. Update System and Controllers. Go back to System Settings. Scroll down to System. Now select System Update. Make sure your Switch is on the latest firmware. Then go back up to Controllers and Sensors and select Update Controllers. This will install any available firmware updates for your Joy-Cons, which often fix syncing problem. Solution 4. Try syncing via the Change Grip Order menu. From the home menu of your Switch, go to Controllers, select and open Change Grip/Order. Now, while your Joy-Cons are detached, press and hold the sync button on the Joy-Con until the lights start blinking. Now press your preferred controller buttons to adjust your syncing setup for either 2-controller option or 1-controller option. This time, you should be able to sync. And that's how you can fix Joy-Con syncing issues on your Nintendo Switch. If your issue persists after trying all these solutions, your problem may be hardware related. Try considering repair or replacement after this. In any case, if this video helped you out, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Nintendo tips and fixes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.